Subscribe our channel for getting more updates.
Hello everyone, welcome in the job notification YouTube channel. So as you see here is a new notification was released from the NTPC India Limited. It is a government of India entrepreneurs, means it was a public sector company. So as you see, advertisement was in March 2021. The post for A is executive in safety, 25 post on fixed term basis. Qualification for the executive in safety was engineering degree in mechanical, production, electrical and civil and power engineering with at least 60% marks from recognized university institution with full-time diploma in industrial safety from regional labor institution. Experience profile should have working experience in compliances with safety regulations under factories, act development and implementation of safety. Experience required 3 years post question executive experience in the area of safety, preferable in the power industry or manufacturing. Job profile was the incumbent shall be responsible for ensuring all statutory compliances, including compliances with safety regulations under Factory Act. He shall have be a safety requirement. Upper age limit was 35 years, and the second requirement was for the executive in IT data center or data recovery, 8 post on fixed term basis. Qualification was for the data was engineering degree in computer science or IT or electronics and communication with 60% marks from recognized university. Experience profile shall have knowledge experience in Unix, OX, Oracle, Program and networks. Experience required was 3 years post qualification in IT hardware or software. Job profile was incremental shall be required to work in shifts including night shift at the data center and will be responsible for overall functioning. For the data post was also upper age limit was 35 years. Second and third was senior executive in solar. Qualification was engineering degree in civil with list 60% marks from a recognized university. Experience profile should have relevant work experience in solar power sector in areas of layout. Experience required was 10 years post qualification experience. Job profile was the incremental shall be part of international business development terms and will be working NTPC towards. The fourth was specialist in solar, 1 post on the fixed term basis. Qualification for the specialist was engineering degree in electrical with at least 60 marks from a recognized university. Experience profile was this, and the job profile was the NTPC in management bids. Assignments by leading, and the monthly compensation benefits for the executive in safety, executive data center or data recovery consulting fixed monthly pay was 71,000. Senior executive post, name of the post for the first was executive as we see, 25 total posts, 30 is for general, 2 for AWS, 6 for OBC, 3 for ST and 1 for SC. Executive in data center was total post was 8, open have 5 and OBC have 3 and SC was 1. Special solar has 1 and senior executive solar also have 1 for total posts. General conditions only Indian nationals are applying. All the qualifications shall be from university. All compensation of age experience required qualification shall be done with respect to the last date. EW essential disabilities on have a component upper age limit for the OBC for 5 years and for SC ST for 6 years. As you see, these all are the instructions. So how to apply? Lastly, for apply for this link you should apply for the online www.ntpccareers.net, and on there you can select this, and the fees for the application was 300 rupees, and for SC ST females was exempted from the fees. Payment mode was online mode. So as you see, commencement online date was 1st of April 2021 and the last date for the application was 15th April 2021. So friends, you should have to apply for this company because it was a public sector and the salary range was up to 71,000. So for getting more updates like this, please like, share and subscribe our channel for getting more updates. Thank you.